To get the deck ready, you will need your broom, a knife, a belt sander, a dust mask, and eye protection. Now, let's get started. We recommend applying Econodek to new, clean, and dry plywood only. It is best to install Econodek on a moderate temperature day that is not too hot and where you are not in direct sunlight. This will allow the adhesive to cure properly. Start by sweeping the deck clean, ensuring no debris is left on the surface. Recess any screws that are sticking up above the level surface of the plywood, giving you a smooth surface to start from. If nails were used, then recess them as well. Remove any slivers of wood that may be loose on the plywood, including loose knot holes and plywood delamination. Now, to prepare the deck surface, sand all plywood joints, knot holes, and rough areas to get ready for the deck patching process. Sweep the deck clean again after you have finished sanding to remove all loose particles.